Hey, come here real quick. I want to show you something real quick. So take a look at this, right? So this says today, this box is, let's say this is you a year from now, right? And there's really, I mean, obviously things can be the same for you a year from now, or there's really two other situations that you could be in, right? You could be in a much better situation than you are right now, or a year from now, you could be in a worse or even a terrible situation now. We don't know what's gonna happen, but these are really the three places, outcomes that you could end up. And if we think about it like a straight line here, and going here, of course, people think success is like this straight line where it's like that, and that's not how it works at all. I'm gonna race with my hand and fuck up this board. Don't give a fuck. But really success is more like a curved line, right? It goes like that. And the same way that things go good, that's how things go bad. Also, there's really these three places you can end up. And let's say we call this line 1, line 2, and line 3 for you, right? Well, what line would you say that you're on right now? If I were to ask 100 people who all are trying to quit their jobs or already have left their jobs and are trying to build their income from their laptop, replace the rat race income with laptop income, most of them, frankly, if they're honest, would be at number 2. There's a chance you'd be at number 2 too, meaning you're just gonna end up the same place where you are now a year from now, unless something drastic changes, which isn't the worst. That's the worst, right? That's second worst. So here's the thing. If you're on the second line, I want you to notice the distance between the same and much better as we get down the line, right? If we go right here, you notice this line is actually pretty steep, isn't it? In fact, it's almost irrecoverable at that point, and you would need to take another year to try and fix this. However, come over here, I want to show you something. If we get a little bit closer, in fact, if we think about like right now, I want you to notice this line here, it's much, much easier to manage, isn't it? In fact, you can make that jump real quick and get put on the right line to a much, much better income, much better life a year from now if you were to take action now instead of later. The reason I'm showing you this is because a few days ago, I opened up applications for you to be one of my first certified capital copywriters, where I show you the art and the science of copywriting. I train you and mentor you personally, and I show you how to generate your first $10,000 a month in income from your laptop as a copywriter, and then turn that 10 grand a month income into $50,000 a month or more income as a certified capital copywriter. And you can use the link below and you can apply. Spots are almost full. All right, where this is like the deadline video, so to speak. This is really your last chance. I don't know when I'm gonna do it again. I'm gonna take my group of people, my elite people who apply and get in. We've had hundreds of applications. It's been really fun reviewing them all week. And this is basically my last chance of saying, if you want this, you better fucking act now. Then what I'm showing you this is I wanna show you, if you wait to take action, look how much harder it gets versus how easier it is for you to take control of your financial destiny here. And let me show you something else. If we come a little closer, what if we know this is a year from now, what if we can move where you're gonna be a year from now, and we can move it much closer? How would you like that? And let's say we call this just 90 days from now, and we get you there. Once you like that, wouldn't that be good? Wouldn't that be better? Isn't that what you want? Isn't that what you deserve? I think it is. And my capital copywriting program, that's what it's designed to do, to take you from here, put you on the right line, of course, but then move that shit over so we get you there 4 times as fast, with skill, with precision, with power. I don't know where you're at. I don't know what life you have right now, but I know if you're watching this video, you want more, you deserve more. What's missing? You need a high income skill. What do you need most? You need the skill of copywriting. Now, are you just gonna wait and get stuck on the line and end up in the same place, or end up in this place where it's freaking irrecoverable basically, and you gotta take another year just to fix it? Or is this a priority for you? Are you an action taker? Are you committed? Are you gonna do something now to change your life and change your financial future? That's the real question here. Does that make sense? Now, if you're the right fit, if you are an action taker, if you are committed to making enormous amounts of money, I have sold over $50 million worth of products and services because of copywriting. If you're ready to level the fuck up, then you take action now and you click the link and you apply, and we get to talking. And if you're a right fit, I mentor you and I personally coach you and help you and train you, and I certify you as a copywriter, and I show you how to generate your first 10 grand a month online, and then turn that 10 grand into 50 grand a month as a certified capital copywriter. Again, this is your last chance. Use the link below. Come on and apply. The application doesn't guarantee you anything, but this is the last day to get your application in, and then we will review it and we will let you know if you're a good fit, in which case you're in and your life is never the same, and you and I go on the most amazing adventure ever. Or you're not the right fit, and that's okay, and we let you know. Either way, we point you in the best direction we can if you're not a right fit either. All right, I'm all about helping people and helping people replace rat race fucking lifestyle and income with laptop lifestyle and laptop income. So I'm Jason Capital. You know what you need to do. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. I love you, and I love me too. I just got love all around. I love you, Scott. I'll see you guys later. Peace.
One of the top 10 most influential men on the planet.
Hey, is Jason Capital.
Jason Capital. He is the preeminent expert.
Jason Capital has been recognized as a top 100 entrepreneur by the White House.
There's very few people in the world like Jason Capital.
He gets right to the core.
Surrounds you with an energy unlike anything you've ever experienced.